by a turnover.
Hindi mo na yan i-ano. Kahit na ano.
Steal by JV to Phoenix. Phoenix drives to the basket. No good. Rebounded by Renwell. Turnover. Steal by JV. Edwin. Nope, short. Another rebound by Renwell. JP against JV. Pass to Dennis. Cesar open for three. Yes, it's a three by Cesar.
Sumusunod pa?
Ashong for three. Nope. Rebound by Lemon.
Eh, hayaan mo lang din to.
JP. Passing it to Dennis. Dennis back to Cesar for three. Three score. Mr. Chan. Cesar. 6-0 is the score. Rebounded by Edwin, follow up for two. Rebound by Edwin, 2 points for Edwin. The score is 6-2, 4.3. Mission clear. Phoenix, pressuring JP to Alfred. Alfred to Lemma. JP drives to the basket, passing to Lemma. Lays it out for two, and an assist by JP. 2 points for Redwell. 8-2 was the score, 8 minutes remaining in the first. Edwin to Ashong. JV for three. Nope. JP with a rebound. Passes to Dade. Dade lays it out short. Rebound by Ashong. RB bounce pass to Phoenix. Phoenix defended by Dennis. Steal by Renwell. It's 2 against 1. Wow, on a side step by JP for two. 10-8. 8-point lead by Mission Care. With 7 minutes 20 remaining in the first quarter. JV for two. 10-4. JP. Pass it to Cesar. To Renwell. Renwell against Edwin. Pass to Dennis. Dennis spins, but he got fouled by Mr. 66. It's the JV. That's the first team foul. First personal foul on JV. Dado to JP. JP for three. Nope. Edwin with the rebound. Was scored for traveling cost by Ashong. Dade for three. Short. Dennis almost got the rebound, but Edwin was able to control it. Phoenix drives to the basket. He got fouled by Cesar. That's Cesar's first team foul on Mission Care. 2 shots.
Okay na yung tracking nila yun. Bagong update yan eh.
Okay. It's updated.
Happy anniversary.
May certain point na siya na ilagay nila. Basura nyo yung nandun. Yung itatrack nila.
First basket by Phoenix is good. Oh, mali. Phoenix, second basket is good. And 6 is the score. 5 minutes 30 remaining in the first quarter. JP drives to the basket. Makes it up. Edwin got an offensive foul on JP. That's JP's first personal. Second team foul on Mission Care. Next dead ball would be a mandatory substitution. Phoenix, JV for three. Nope, long rebound by Dudley. Lemmer side steps, lays it up for two. Mission Care now leads by 6, 12-6. Edwin lost the ball. Okay, Magotor, substitution. Come on. Malalaki na kayo.
Pag-isa sa Pinas.
Is running.
I was born in Manila.
Pass it in.
43.
Let's
So
go.
I put him in the open. But when he got 45, I go.
The score is 12-6. Mission Care leads by 6. Abel, to Vince, back to Abel, the four, thinking about passing it, thinking about shooting, then decided to pass to Vince, to Papaki, drives to the basket, throws the ball, he didn't get he lost the ball, and it's blue ball. Melo. Pass to Joey. Joey against WJ. Joey drives to the basket. Pass it into Richard. No good. Rebounded by WJ. To Hill. For three. Blue right now. Hill for three. No. WJ on rebound. Pass it to Abel. Abel. Looks for Papaki. Pass it to WJ. By Papaki, 2 points for WJ with the shot foul on Abel. That's Abel's first person on. Oh, sorry. My bad.
Dagdagan. Meron pang isa, taga California.
First foul.
Go! Sena!
Uy!
Hey!
39 red. Okay. Yeah, Abel. Yeah, that's Abel.
Ipasok mo na sa 45 next season. Mga edik, pwede naman. Pero kung gusto maglaro sa open, pwede din.
Kulang sa beer yan.
And there's another league. There's another league, 4 and a half. Tuesday league.
I don't want to put him over there.
You know what?
7-4-3-7. Short. Melo. Who got fouled by number 29, Abel. That's Abel's second personal, 14 foul on Mission Care. 2 shots for Melo. First free throw by Melo is good. 14-8. Second free throw is also good. 4-9.
Sinabihan ko na si Bernard.
Hindi mo alam kung pumasok o hindi eh.
Nobody has scored the timeout yet. 14-9, 5-point lead by Mission Care. Papaki to Hill. Hill to Abel. Abel. Bounce pass to WJ. WJ fakes. Drives to the basket. He got a rebound. Follows it up. Takes to the rebound. And he got fouled by number 56, Richard. That's their 15th foul. First personal on Richard. 2 shots for Vince. Oh, that's their 13th foul, I should say.
Not today, Vince. Not today. Not today, Vince.
Three goes miss. Papaki with the rebound. Hill for 3. 79, 8-point lead by Mission Care. Joey drives to the basket where he decides to pass and keeps the ball. 8 seconds remaining. That's the end of the first quarter. The score is 17-9, 8-point lead. This is not a timeout. Let's continue. Blue ball according to the referee. Let's go. Joey drives, lays it up, but he got fouled according to the ref. Who's fouled? Ref, who's fouled? 13. It's Alfred's foul. First personal, first team foul on Mission
Wait,
Care.
naiwan na.
2 shots for
Sorry,
Joey.
sorry.
First basket by Joey is good. Second basket also good. 17-11. 9 minutes to go in the second quarter. Cesar. Three from Cesar. 20-11. Ano kaya nakain niya kanina? Before for three, no? Richard gets the rebound. Travel. Turnover by Blue. Dade, bounce pass to Randall for two. Nice pass by Dade to Randall. 20-30, 7-point lead. Mission Care. Oh, 14, sorry. Wait. My bad. 22-11, my bad. Who's foul? Red 21, that's Dennis foul. Mission Care, second personal foul, second team foul, 2 shots for Joey. Joey's first free throw is not good. Joey's second basket is good. In 12. Dennis against Clifford, using the background, so 2 is good. 24-12
Wala kayong defense!
What a block by Dade. Joey gets Cesar, spins. No basket. Dennis with the rebound. JP lays it up. The rebound blocked by Clifford. Dade, up with the three, decided to drive to the basket. No good. He gets the rebound, follows it up. No good. Richard controls the ball. Bello ahead with the layup for 2. It's 24-14, 10-point 14-34. JP drives, bounce pass to Randall, using the glass. Now good, Richard controls the board. All the way for Richard, using the glass for 2. 24-16, 8-point lead. Randall, he got blocked by Joey. Loses the ball, it's a turnover. Ball goes into it here. Just an 8-point lead by Intertech with 5 minutes 40 remaining in the second quarter. Clifford. Joey for three, nope. That game, rebounds it. Passes to JB. JB got fouled by Melo. That's Melo's first personal, first team foul on Philippines. We can do the substitution right now. Thank you. I'll just pause a little bit.
Red, start out.
Okay, let's play. 16, 24-16. Vince to Papa P. Papa P. Back to Abel. Abel against Phoenix. Long pass to... Rebounded by WJ. WJ got fouled by RD, number 41. That's Imperative second team foul. Two shots for WJ. First basket, WJ is good, 25-16.
One more. More.
Second basket shot. Blue ball, sayang, WJ. 4 minutes to go in the second quarter. Phoenix for three. Nope. What a tap by Papa P to Will. Breaking that rebound to Papa P. Papa P is back in his good. WJ fits. Takes a shot. Anyway, JV on the rebound. JV to Phoenix. Phoenix for three. Long rebound by JV. But he passed it to the wrong man. Abel to Papa P. Papa P. Side stairs.
Onset, onset.
27-16, 11-point lead by Mission Care. Asho, bounce pass to JV. To Edwin. Edwin jumper, no short. Rebounded by Vince. Hill passes it to Papa P. Papa P using the glass. Yeah. That's the first time out in the first half. 5 minutes, so it's 51. The score is 29-16, 13-point lead by Mission Care. It's the Care Bear battle for today.
Go again. Let's go.
29-16. Let's play ball. This is the first half, second quarter, 2 minutes 40. Phoenix, pass it to Edwin, almost lost the ball, recovered, reverse it. The left of the ball to the Jordan Trio. Turnover by Imperative Care. Bill. WJ long three, low. Edwin rebounds it. Oh, turnover, pass it to the wrong man. WJ with the steal, here for three. Whoa. WJ recovers a rebound. Up there, got blocked by Asher. Sayang yung block. I-record mo yung block ni Asher. Yung mga contribution nito. Almost a steal by JB. Complete the steal by JB. JB zigzags, brings it up for a three. Wow, three. Coast to coast by JB. 11-point lead, 1 minute 40 remaining in the first half. WJ waiting for his teammates. Pass it to Hill, up a feed. WJ again against Asha, drives to the basket. Steal again by JV. Passes it to Edward, bounce pass to Phoenix. Blocked by the rim. Complete recovery by Hill. Long pass to WJ. WJ against two. Takes a shot. He got fouled by number 5, Asho. Foul on Asho. That's Asho's first personal.
Ang grab na nila.
First free throw by WJ is good. 30-18. 12-point lead with 25 seconds remaining. 25 seconds remaining. 31-18. Timeout. In 17.2 seconds left. Seventeen seconds remaining. 17.2 the exact. 31-18, 15-point lead. Clock starts. JV to Ashon. Ashon to Phoenix. Phoenix. 6 seconds remaining. Edward for 3. WJ long pass to Hill. Sayang, could have counted, but the halftime score is 31-80. 13-point lead by Mission Care against Intuitive Care.
Oh my God.
Ang nawalan po sa mga players, no? Pag nagkakamali yung kumito, huwag kayong magalit. Magano lang kayo, magtanong lang kayo. Pasagutin naman namin. Huwag kayong sensitive ako eh. Okay, joke lang, joke lang. Tanong lang tayo, tanong. Tama ba yung score? Thank you. JB
Ay, nanaiwan.
against Melo.
Ilan na?
Lost the ball. Turnover by Mission Care. Melo, pass it to Richard. To Jerry. Joey against Cesar for 3. Short. Last touch by Blue. JB. Short. Richard rebounds it. Gives it to Joey. Joey behind the back. Leaves it up. He got fouled and one by Joey. Foul on number 23. Redwell. First team foul on Mission Care. Bonus shot for Joey. Score is 31-21. 10-point lead. Redwell. Pass it to Alfred. Cesar. He got fouled by Richard, number 56. That's
13 right here.
Second personal foul on Richard. First team foul on Richard.
Drive mo to.
JP against Clifford. JP posting up. Escapes for two. 33-21. 12-point lead. Mission Care. Mello. To Richard. Richard drives to the basket. Gives it to Jerry. No. 24 controls the board. Richard, steal by Cesar to David. Oh my God, Richard gets the rebound. From Joey.
Hands up!
Back by JP.
Ano ba yan?
Covers by Joey. Never good. Richard still controls the ball.
Guys! Bravo!
33-21. That's a lot of action during that sequence. JP for three, short. Ball controlled by Cliff. Got a shot from there. No for two. 33-23. 10-point lead.
Huwag yung sayangin yung
With 6 minutes 25 remaining in the third. JP orchestrating the play. Last touch by Blue. Ball remains with Red. Alfred inbounding to JP. JP versus Mello. Jumper, yes. That's a whistle. 35-23. 12-point lead. Mission Care with 5:50 remaining in the third. Joey against JP, drives to the basket. Gives it up. No. Recovered by Clifford. Jumper is good for two. Back to a 10-point lead, 35-25. Next dead ball will be mandatory substitution. Dennis. Back to JP. JP looking for teammates. Cesar for three. Short. Rebound by Mello. Mello drives. No. Richard recovers it. Follows it up for two. 8-point lead.
Bumulang si Richard yata yan.
35-27. Dagger. Yes, for two. Wow. Score by 37-25 is the score. Remla follows it up, but he got fouled by Richard. Mandatory sub. Richard, that's your third personal foul. Second team foul on Winkley. The score is 37-27. 10-point lead. Let's go. Two shots for Redwood. First basket by Redwood is good.
Wala
38-37.
nakakadasa dito. Scout? Hindi, photoshoot. Saan ba eh? Wala naman pala.
Hindi pa tuloy?
Hindi ko alam. Akala ko nga i-move yung game ng 8:30 tapos may photoshoot ng 8 to ano.
Rebound control by Edwin.
8 to 10,
4 minutes, 5 remaining in the third quarter. Phoenix to JV. Army takes it. JV recovers. Pass to Asha. To Phoenix. Phoenix drives. Side steps. personal. Second team foul on Mission Air. 2 shots for Phoenix.
Box, box!
Bonus shot. I'm so sorry. Bonus shot. Yes. It's down to 8 points, 38-30. Vince throws it up. Edwin rebounds it. Edwin pass to JV. JV to Phoenix. Phoenix. Last touch. Red, according to Red. Oh, they changed the ball. It's a red ball. 38-30, 8-point lead by Mission Care. Abel. To WJ, pass it back to Abel. Abel to Hill, guarded by 2. Abel open for a jumper. Ball goes to Blue. 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter.
There you go.
Edwin, jumper short. Papaki rebounds it.
Vince, takbo, Vince! Takbo, wala yung time. Baba!
38, 8-point lead. WJ against Asher. Side pass to Abel to Hill. Jump ball. Ball goes to Red. Out of Blue.
Hindi mo si JB sa steal.
38-30, 8-point lead by Mission Air. Red. Throws it. And recovers. For 2. It's just a 6-point lead. 30-32. Here got fouled by Edwin. That's Edwin's first personal, 13 foul on Intuitive. Backward violation. One minute to go in the third quarter. Score is 38-32, 6-point lead by Mission Care. Phoenix for 3. No, Edwin rebounds it, follows it up, but he got fouled by number 9, Papa P. That's her third team foul. First personal of Papa P. 2 shots for Edwin. First basket, all net. 38-33. Second basket is good. 38-34. 16 points. 16 seconds remaining. 40. 10 seconds. He got fouled. Ashion's foul. That's just the 14th foul. So that's the end of the third quarter. Second personal foul on Ashion. This is open substitution. This is not a dialogue. Let's start the fourth quarter. Yes, open substitution. Every man for himself. We have the 24-second shot clock. We have the 24-second shot clock on. WJ for 3, no? Here, he got fouled by number by Clifford. Third personal on Clifford. First personal, first team foul on Clifford. JP with a rebound. JV, last breaks, pass to Edwards, the glass for 2. 30-36, just a 2-point lead by Mission Care. Traveling. Timeout. Mission Care. That's their, Mission Care. That's their first timeout of the ball game.
Kalma na, kalma.
Okay, Cliff, first personal pa lang pala yun. I'm so sorry. Score is 38-36, 2-point lead by Mission Care. Time remaining in the fourth quarter, 9 minutes, 4 seconds. It's an exciting ball game. Let's play ball. JV to Joey to Edwin, 15-second shot clock. For the team, 10 seconds.
Nice.
5 seconds.
Run.
Rebounds it. JV to Remo. Yes, 2 points. Assist from Remo. Ball remains with
Hey, begin! Tingin! Iwalay!
15-second shot clock. Run well. 10 seconds. Reset. Score is 4-36. Mellow. 15-second shot clock.
3 seconds!
10 seconds.
Oh my God, hindi na siya
Go for 3. Yes!
Hamstring yata.
Oy, depensa!
Asyong, hamstring. Asyong.
It's just a
Gabi!
1-point lead.
Gabi!
30-39.
Hamstring.
15-second shot clock. JP is still through. Timeout. Intuitive. That's the first
Gabi,
timeout.
clock.
One timeout remaining for Intuitive in the ball game. Score is 43-39. 3-point lead by Mission Care with time remaining 6 minutes 53 seconds in the ball game. Happy birthday mo na. Manilay. Manilay, happy birthday. Okay, back to the ball game. 6 minutes 53 remaining. Blue ball.
Pare, pantay ah! Oy!
15-second shot clock. Nope.
Run!
Reset. Jump to the offensive line. Turnover by Red. Refer to Jody.
Oh, kanino?
15-second shot clock. No good. Follow up by Edwin Mason. WJ rebounds it. Oh. A foul. Is there a foul? Number 9, Papa P. Second personal on Papa P. First team foul on Mission Care. 2 shots for Edward. Short on the first. Second basket by Edwin is good. It's now just a 2-point lead, 42-40. Somebody got fouled. 94, foul on 94, that's Joey. Joey's second, I think. Second personal. Second team foul on Intuitive. Inbound by Papa P. WJ. Rebounded by WJ. Hill for 3.
Oh, bantay ha! Bantay ha! Pare, bantay!
45-30. 5-point lead by Mission Care. Clifford brings it out. 3, no. Papa P rebounds it. Joey, he got fouled by number. Who's foul 30? JP. That's JP's second personal. Second team foul. 2 shots for Joey. First shot for Joey is good. And timeout. One each. Pumasok ba? Okay. Second basket for Joey is also good. 45-32. 3-point lead with 3 minutes 40 remaining in the ball game. 15-second shot clock. WJ drives. He got fouled by number 33, Clifford. That's Clifford's second, right? Second personal, 13 foul on Intuitive. WJ, 2 shots.
Oh my God.
Oh. 45-42 is still the score. 3-point lead by Mission Care. Second basket for WJ is good. 2 minutes 50 remaining in the ball game. Mellow. Congress steal by Joey. Joey pass to Edwin. Wow, what a pass, what a shot. 46-44.
Run!
2-point lead. WJ. To Hill and JP using the dash. For 2 is good. What a pass, what a shot. 48-8 Mission Care, 4-point lead. Edwin for 3 short. Rebounded by WJ. 50-second shot clock. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes of the ball game. 10-second shot clock. 5 seconds. Steal by Clifford. Clifford now. And he got fouled. Hill. That's his first personal. 13 foul on Mission Care. 1 minute 41 remaining. 2 shots for Mello. 48-44 is the score.
Box!
The medal is good. 48-45. 15-second shot clock. Joey rebounds it. One pass to Edwin. Rebounds it.
Robin!
The JV, 15-second shot clock. There's a foul. Which foul? Which foul? Which foul? 4:34. That's a 14 foul. Second personal on here. 1 minute, 9 seconds remaining.
Pare, wag guti! Wag guti, pare!
Joey to Edwin. The JV, 15-second shot clock. Flip. Using the glass. Yes. 15 seconds remaining. 1 point lead. 48-37. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. JP. Seconds remaining. If you want to time out, go to left. Go to left. Which timeout is it? That's the second timeout. Hindi ko na kaya controlin yung Papa P. Hindi na lang kaya. One point lead by Mission Fair, 48-47. 32.7 seconds remaining. Mission Fair is already in a 1-on-1 penalty. The next foul is penalty. Mission Fair, 14 foul kayo, one more, penalty na. Interleague has 3 team fouls. Let's go.
Overtime!
Tol! Walang iwan ang pantay nyo!
Ha! Jimmy!
Shot clock. JV, jumper, no.
Hoy!
Edwin goes without